Guys, if you'd like to draw parabolas without having to put up those long-winded table of values, substituting and plotting, if you want it the quick and easy way, then you can use this formula right over here. It's a fantastic formula in that it gives us lots of clues on how to draw the parabola. For instance, it gives us this little constant here with the A. The A, as you may recall from other videos, it tells us whether it's concave up, concave down, whether it's narrow or wide. That's lots of information. And we have this added bonus here of the plus C. C standing for constant. It actually tells you where it cuts the y-axis. It also tells you where the vertex is, and it gives you all this information all in one formula. And I'm going to use this formula to plot 3 parabolic equations up here on the number plane. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. And welcome back. We have 3 parabolic equations right over here. All 3 of them, we're going to plot them up here on the number plane. There's the y-axis, there's the x-axis. Now, what are those constants I mentioned earlier? Well, we're using this formula up here, y equals ax squared plus c, c being the constant. Now, that c also is the vertex. The coordinates of the vertex 0, c. So we know exactly where to find that. It also tells us how far up or how far down the parabola actually moves. So let's take a closer look over here at the 3 equations. The first one here we have is y equals x squared plus 3. Now, what do we notice about that? Well, we notice that, first of all, it's got a plus 3 here, meaning that the c value, or the vertex, is going to cut the parabola along the y-axis at what? At positive 3. So why don't we go ahead and draw that one then? So if it's going to cut at plus 3, let me just mark it out. It's going to cut right over there. So that plus 3 is there, and it's also the vertex. We know it's going to be concave up. Why? Because it's a positive x squared. Remember, when a is greater than 0, it's a smiley face. So this is going to be a smiley parabola, plus 3, right over there. So let's plot that now straight away. Goes right through the 3, right there. Okay, let's go for the next one. We have y equals x squared. Now it's a positive x squared, so that's going to be concave up, but there's no constant, which means it's 0. So that means it's going to cut right through the what? Right through the origin. So let's draw that one up now. It's going to be concave up through the origin. So it's going to be right over there. There it is, right there. Y equals x squared. Now finally we have y equals positive x squared minus 4, take away 4, subtract 4. Now remember, that's the constant. It's a negative 4. That's going to give us the vertex on the y-axis. It moves down, doesn't it? Down to negative 4. So let's mark that out right over there. Negative 4, that'll be the vertex. So let's just plot that in. And there it is right there. Now notice that all of them have a positive A, meaning that they're all smiley faces and pointing concave upwards.